Catching a stock at a relatively low price before it grows to astronomical levels is really rare. However, if you look in the right places, you might be able to spot a few companies here and there. And recently, there just might be a company that would be perfect for those who are looking for a company to invest in. The company Palantir has been making waves in the tech industry and is being predicted to move in ways the company has never seen before. Given that the company is consistently growing and has been scaling their business in a stable way, people are already expecting for the company to go big. But how exactly? What is this big rumor behind Palantir? And is there some truth to this? And how will we be able to take advantage of such an announcement? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Palantir has been going on a strong bull run recently. Their latest stock price has been playing around the price mark of $20 to $30, but has steadily been at the higher end of this range in the last few days. Yesterday, Palantir's stock price closed at $31. This is a growth of a little over 2% from the previous trading session. Looking at an even bigger picture, Palantir has been performing rather spectacularly and has had a steady growth of almost 83% this year alone. There's no surprise that a lot of analysts, institutions, and even individual investors are interested in seeing where the company might go and how high its stock price can soar. The highest Palantir has gone was during the start of 2021, and it was trading at a little over $35. Because the company is already nearing its peak price, a lot of people are anxiously waiting if the stock price is going to break out and go on a very strong bull run. But are these positive predictions going to come true? What are these people's basis for hoping that Palantir is going to explode soon? Well, aside from the obvious increase in its stock price, the company's short interest is also showing signs that people are looking at Palantir's stock in a positive way. In a capsule, if a company has a high short interest in its stock, the more that people are betting for its price to go down, since they'll be making money with their short position. However, a user on X has spotted something new and exciting regarding Palantir's short interest numbers. It is currently at its lowest. You could say that those who have short positions in Palantir are more nervous than ever before. The short float has hit a historic low, dropping to just 3%. By the end of July 2024, the short interest stood at more than 63 million shares, a significant 22% decrease from the previous period. This further confirms the speculations of a lot of people that Palantir is going to go ballistic in the coming days. If you're excited to learn about what could possibly happen to the stock, here is the big news. Palantir might be on its way to getting listed in the S&P 500. For those who are not familiar with what the S&P 500 is, it is a stock market index that tracks the performance of 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the United States. These companies represent a wide range of industries, and the index is often used as a benchmark for the overall performance of the U.S. stock market. A social media post has theorized that the recent surge in Palantir's stock is due to funds buying in anticipation of its inclusion in the S&P 500 this September. Typically, stocks tend to rise before such announcements, so this momentum might be driven by funds positioning themselves early, aiming to avoid buying at higher prices later. If you're wondering which funds are stocking up on Palantir, the top of the list includes huge names in the industry. As of June 2024, reports show that both Vanguard Inc. and BlackRock Inc. Vanguard has over 200 million shares, while BlackRock, on the other hand, owns almost 120 million shares. Both investment companies have steadily increased their ownership of Palantir stocks on a quarter-to-quarter basis, showing that both these giants in the stock trading industry believe in the company. However, the rumors on whether or not Palantir makes it into the S&P 500 will soon be confirmed in September. So, what might these funds and institutions see in Palantir as a company that made them bet on its growth? Let's take a look at the company's numbers and how they operate. Palantir Technologies has built an innovative product portfolio with a suite of powerful software platforms, each addressing different aspects of complex data challenges. Palantir Gotham is tailored for government agencies, offering advanced analytics for critical tasks like counterterrorism and law enforcement. Palantir Foundry serves the commercial sector, enabling businesses to manage and analyze their data effectively. Palantir Apollo seamlessly integrates these platforms, ensuring smooth data movement. This diverse lineup has positioned Palantir as a leader in both government and commercial markets. And as you may have noticed, there isn't a lot of competition within the industry of Palantir, making their offerings some of the best ones in the market. This fact has reflected in the company's financial standing and their sources of income becoming more complex but steady. The company's revenue streams are also evolving, with a growing shift towards the commercial sector. In the first quarter of 2024, Palantir's commercial revenue surged by 27% year-over-year, outpacing the growth in government revenue. While it's true that government contracts may be a little bit more reliable and have a higher chance of becoming a long-term agreement, there's more chance to grow and scale if they go into the commercial sector. This shift highlights Palantir's successful diversification strategy, reducing reliance on government contracts and tapping into the commercial market. How about you? Do you think it was good for Palantir to focus more on growing their commercial market, or should they focus more on government contracts? Let us know your thoughts below. Despite a slowdown in overall revenue growth, Palantir has shown strong financial performance. The company reported its sixth consecutive profitable quarter, with a net income of $106 million in the first quarter of 2024. Palantir's gross profit margins have also improved, reflecting effective cost management and operational efficiency. Additionally, the company's recent introduction of the artificial intelligence platform, AIP, has positioned it strategically in the expanding AI market. Palantir's competitive edge lies in its unique software, especially Gotham, which gives the company a significant advantage over its competitors. Its deep-rooted relationships with government agencies and the stickiness of its software further strengthen its position in the market. All of these factors combined explain why Palantir is in such a strong position today. The company's innovative products, growing revenue streams, solid financial performance, and strategic focus on AI give it a robust foundation for continued success. With its unique advantages and established presence in key markets, Palantir is well positioned to maintain and even expand its leadership in the industry. In fact, Palantir has recently secured a new development with one of their clients, Surf Air Technologies. Palantir is set to power the company as its AI operating system. Although Surf Air has been a Palantir client since 2021, this partnership is more than just another deal for both companies. Surf Air Technologies is a new venture, and it's being built on Palantir's Foundry and AIP platforms. With this collaboration, Palantir will help Surf Air develop and sell SurfOS, the operating system designed for the advanced air mobility industry. Palantir's technology has already helped Surf Air achieve a 25% increase in revenue per trip, laying the groundwork for SurfOS. That's such a huge number for Surf Air in such a short span of time, using Palantir's services. Now, with Surf Air Technologies, Palantir's involvement will extend beyond just Surf Air, enabling multiple brands to benefit from these tools. The ambition is to leverage Surf Air's expertise in regional air operations to seize a massive market opportunity, targeting regional and urban air mobility markets that could be worth trillions by 2050. You can now imagine how many more companies will be able to build their systems using Palantir's services. Some of their latest clients include United Airlines, Nebraska Medicine, AARP, Lear, Wendy's QSCC, and EdgeScale AI, to name a few. As you can see, the company can reach several organizations within different industries, regardless of size and location. Only time can tell how big Palantir can become. But given the recent updates of the company, they're surely on a good path. If you want to learn more about Palantir and the tech industry in general, you can also click on any of the videos on your screen. And lastly, it would greatly help the channel grow if you interact with the video. Leave a comment, like, and share this with your friends if you like them to stay updated on the latest happenings with Palantir. See you in the next video.